So this is the original house with courtyard and everything, and down this way is stuff that was added on to the building to make room for people.
Yeah.
No, I just picked the first empty room I came to.
Yeah.
I've been in a lot of different offices here.
When I first arrived here, we were in the same. We were both down there, so I got.
Yeah.
And I'd hear him typing away, so I got very nostalgic for that. And then he was in the library, and I don't know where you were, but always finding a. I always remember that funny when I first talked to Sam, and he called me and he said, you know, I'm thinking about working at SFI, and he said, but do you think there'll be room for my typewriter?
Well, I remember during summer school, we had all these young people here, and I was down here in this next pod typing away, and occasionally people would come in and they would go, and finally some kid came up and knocked on the door. Door was open. I said, yes. He said, what is that? Looking at the typewriter.
Yeah, you know, the answer to that is, it's a word processor with a built-in printer. That's the...
Very good.
Yeah. By the way, I watched quite an interesting series recently.
Okay.
That you would, sort of a Western. It's quite dark.